answer to your prayers.
Baby, please, come on.
When I'm so scared.
In focus. There you go. Yes. Artist. Hi. How's it going? I love your hair. Thanks. I'm in dirty crack. Hello.
I remember this camera.
Yeah.
How did the footage come out?
I haven't looked at it yet. What do you gotta do? Woo! Oh yes. Come on, merch. Ooh, wow. These are so cute. Oh my god. I almost left my camcorder down here. Good thing I got it back. Dang. Wow.
Well played person. I'm mad at Queer as Punk for having so much shit for me to buy when I'm so broke. For having so many cool queer vendors to support.
So many queer vendors.
It's so annoying that there are so many queer vendors to support. And I want to give them all my money.
Yeah. Damn it.
Especially Playfire and Angry Baby No.
Yeah. What? Problem, man. Cut the camera. Dead ass. Oh. I don't know this song. Why was I singing? There you are. Wow. I'm zoomed in. Okay. Wow. I'm scared.
Okay, look at that.
I'm scared.
And then it's me. No, no.
Oh my god. Stupid. Explain yourself.
Oh no, don't do the robot again, bitch. Don't do the robot.
Don't do the... No! Stop!
It's all I know how to do.
It's illegal.
It's all I know how to
Hey, hey. Put that behind you. It's me. Oh, hello. Hey. Hey. Oh, look, it's like one of Dust's videos with all the mirrors. Yes. Yes. Yes.
That was a My Chemical.
Cinema! Cinema!
That was a My Chemical. That was a My Chemical.
I heard you! Get out of here! Hello. How did it go tonight?
Not really good right.
I think it was great because we all started dancing to like home music. Dusk, come talk about the home music.
Oh my god, it felt like, it felt like a middle school dance.
It did.
It was so
Honestly,
fun.
It was nostalgic in the best way.
I was 13 again at my 8th grade dance.
Not 13.
Just
13 going on 30.
near dirt, you know, just doing that.
Anyway, can I talk about the real shit? Can I start talking shit about people again?
I'm gonna...
It's about you, Skirt.
About me?
K-pop.
What did I do? No! I put it in my contract that I didn't want to be made fun of tonight. Don't violate my contract!